It's 1:30 at night, and here at the headquarters we are getting ready for a very nice party out.
I don't feel like talking yet. Ένα ψέμα είμαστε.
Going out for a change. This is how you are when you're cycling to go to the party. This makeup was perfect when I left home. It's not anymore. This is one of the things that I really don't like about cycling. The Shining and the Blue Oyster. Two friends going together on a very dark night in a city club. Food without a soul. So it's spaghetti with no change. Light is over, so apparently here in Netherlands, 5 o'clock, over. Ah!
Can I do a pose?
Yes, you can. It's a video. Hi! He's one of the pretty ones.